Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. Well, today we got the AI is on fire again. So this is CXAI, but AI, the symbol itself, actually had some news today. And, the news looked pretty good. AI itself was popping. AI has been a beaten up stock. A lot of short sellers have been piling into this one. But that didn't stop CXAI sort of actually making the biggest percentage gains of all the AIs that I saw today. Now, I missed it early and, because it was quite whippy, but, if you're in the room, I basically said I'd love to take it on this 11 break. And that's exactly what happened. And this went from, I think I got in right around 11:20. And before it pulled back at all, it got up to 13:40. Now it's pulling back in a big way. There's only 1.2 million in the float. So you've got to be awfully careful. But that was a lovely trade on the way up. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the room. Have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.